Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Ogun State remains Nigeria's leading industrial hub. And today, with the presidential commissioning and inspections of several projects, it places Ogun State in an exceptional position in aviation and regional road network. I warmly welcome you to this powerful gathering to welcome His Excellency President Bola Tinubu to Ogun State on an official visit for the commissioning of the Gateway International Airport and other landmark projects.
In less than 7 years, you, Dr. Abiodun, you've demonstrated commitment, vision, and patriotism to grow Nigeria. We celebrate you for national development.
Mr. President, I am here to welcome you on behalf of all the citizens of Ogun State and to thank you for doing all the honor in the history of Ogun State that we have an airport that we can call Ogun State Airport International Cargo. Mr. President, I have used this airport. I've landed here from Abuja. So on behalf of you, Mr. President, and on behalf of all the good citizens of Ogun State, I want to thank our Governor Dr. Abiodun, for doing us proud in what we have commissioned today and in what you have seen that is still coming up.
From Shagamu to Abeokuta, left and right is all industrial. The program that you laid out in Lagos, I was telling the governor of Lagos State, we in Ogun State are now the beneficiary of the goodness of Lagos State. And today, we are generating about 25 billion naira a month. Our budget is now in trillion. Thank you, Mr. President, that all this is happening under the governor of Ogun State, Dr. Abiodun.
Your Excellency, they say emotions at times can be very difficult to put into words. Your presence here today is deeply historic as it is symbolic. It reflects not only your commitment to national development, but also your enduring belief in subnationals as engines of growth. Mr. President, it is gratifying for me to mention that without the support you have given to subnationals, some of us may have become insolvent, and we are all indeed very grateful. Your Excellency, the Gateway International Airport stands as a defining legacy of this administration, built from ground zero, now fully operational with commercial flights connecting Ogun State to Abuja, a state-of-the-art control tower, advanced aviation systems, and cargo handling and storage facilities. More importantly, it also collocates with our customs base, and it has become what we call our aerotropolis. Today's ceremony is further enriched by the commissioning of our state-owned airline, Gateway Airlines, with the introduction of 2 Bombardier CRJ-900 aircraft, the inaugural air cargo flights, with a commitment of 50 cargo flights before the end of the year. These bold initiatives is implementation of our multimodal transport master plan to enhance connectivity, support business travel, and reinforce Ogun State as a preferred destination. The Shagamu Iperu or the Shakpade Expressway, formerly known as the Old Ibadan Road, now renamed Bola Tinubu Expressway. And of course, the Ilishan Iperu Road, which you just commissioned this afternoon. And we have now completed the Gateway Medical Center of Excellence, which will be affiliated to the new Abuja Medical Center of Excellence. This will now offer medical services, reducing the need for medical travel and reposition Ogun State as a medical tourism destination. Our 34 megawatt Oni Jongo independent power project is strengthening energy supply and supporting industrial growth. In agriculture, we are deeply mechanized farming through the provision of modern tractors, which we are displaying today. And in security, we have displayed over 100 pickup vehicles and all other infrastructure to support our law enforcement architecture. Today, we displayed over 1,000, almost 2,000 electric mobility solutions because of our forward approach in energy transition, supporting environmental sustainability, urban transportation, whilst mitigating the shocks occasioned by the sudden increase in fuel prices which we are currently witnessing. May I at this point reaffirm our strong alignment with your renewed hope agenda. Ogun State will continue to partner with the federal government in driving national development and economic transformation.
May God Almighty bless Governor Abiodun and his administration. And may God bless the president who believes in true federalism for releasing money to the states. And the states are consistently saying that they are happy with the president because they no longer borrow money to pay salaries. They don't borrow money to do all these projects you are saying.
I am particularly pleased with the mobility, the security, and the agricultural initiatives unveiled today. Therefore, thank you very much. God bless you.